Hi everybody, and welcome back to today's video. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic that impacts the entire US healthcare system: revenue cycle inefficiencies. Did you know that these inefficiencies cost the US over $260 billion every single year? It's a staggering number, and the most frustrating part, a huge portion of these losses are completely avoidable. So in today's video, we're going to break things down. We'll explore the basics of revenue cycle management, identify the most common challenges, and talk through some practical and effective solutions that your organization can start implementing right away. So let's get into it. What is revenue cycle management? Before we can fix anything, we need to understand what revenue cycle management, or RCM, is. RCM is the backbone of financial health for healthcare organizations. It's not just about billing. It's an end-to-end process that starts the moment a patient schedules an appointment and continues all the way through to the final payment. When this cycle runs efficiently, payments are received faster, administrative errors are reduced, and overall operations improve. But there are breakdowns in this process. The consequences can be severe, like misrevenue, higher costs, and a negative patient experience. So, what are the most common roadblocks in RCM? First up, claim denials and rejections. These are often caused by things like coding errors, missing or incomplete information, or insurance eligibility issues. Every denied claim means denied reimbursement and more administrative work, and added stress for staff. Second, inefficient billing processes. A surprising number of organizations still rely on manual data entry and outdated systems. These old school methods slow everything down and increase the risk of human error, costing both time and money. Thirdly, patient payment collection. This is a tricky one. Many patients don't understand what they owe, what their insurance covers, or how to even make the payment. Confusion and lack of transparency lead to delayed or missed payments, and frustration on both sides. Finally, regulatory compliance. In healthcare, regulations are constantly evolving. Missing just one can result in fines, audits, or reputational damage. Staying compliant requires constant attention. Now for the good news. There are real, actionable solutions that help tackle these issues. Automation and AI are transforming RCM, from verifying insurance coverage to streamlining claims and denial management. Automation reduces errors, speeds up the entire process, and gives staff more time to focus on patient care. Ongoing staff training is another must. It might sound simple, but many organizations don't prioritize continuous training. With the healthcare landscape always shifting, ongoing education helps staff stay sharp and avoid costly mistakes. Then there's the value of patient-centric billing systems. These systems are designed with the patient in mind, offering clear billing statements, online payments, and flexible payment plans. When patients feel informed and empowered, they're more likely to make the payment on time and feel better about the entire experience. Outsourcing RCM systems is also a powerful option. Working with specialized third-party vendors can offload the complexity of billing and collections, reducing errors, and improve efficiency, especially for smaller organizations, for those limited with internal resources. And finally, advanced analytics and reporting tools. They give you the insight needed to identify patterns, track KPIs, and make smarter decisions. Data is powerful when you use it right. It can help transform your entire revenue cycle. Revenue cycle management isn't just a back-of-the-office process. It's a strategic driver of financial stability, operational efficiency, and patient satisfaction. By understanding the most common pitfalls and, more importantly, knowing how to overcome them, you can improve your organization's performance from the inside out. Whether it's embracing automation, investing in training, improving transparency, or bringing in outside help, every step toward better RCM is a step toward better care. If you want to dive deeper into RCM systems, reach out to Tactics. And since you made it this far into the video, you might as well like it, share it, and comment down below.